13 by 4, so you can go ahead and do stuff like that because your sides will stay down. Y'all know, this is my signature look, period. Y'all see that? Again and again, she's always gonna eat it up, honey. Alright guys, so we're back today with another hair video. Shout out to UNiceHair Company for sponsoring today's video. So as you guys can see, I'm sporting a 13 by 4 lace front wig, guys. So this is a body wave textured unit. Now as you guys can see, it comes with tape on both sides. So this install today is going to be completely glueless, guys. This is a pre-everything wig, guys. It comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-curled. So the style's already there. So y'all know I'm going to do like a little amplifier. I love UNiceHair Company's body wave texture. It's one of my favorites. The style lasts forever, guys. Now this is a mono cap, guys, so you get like a little bit of like a silk based mesh cap in this one, which is very, very discreet. When I tell you, you won't need any powder for this wig, you don't need any powder whatsoever. Very, very nice and seamless and realistic, so I don't have to do anything as far as that. I'm not going to do baby hairs on this unit, guys. I want to kind of keep it clean and cutesy and demure, so I'm not going to touch it with any powder. So this unit is 24 inches long, guys. Very, very pretty, very gorgeous. You guys know I love a body wave texture. It's my favorite. This is such a nice thin lace, guys. Very, very HD and pretty. What I'm doing right now is just clearing this makeup off the sides so that I have a clean surface. You want to make sure you clean the sides off with an alcohol wipe because you want the tape to stay down. All I'm using is the tape. I'm not spraying this unit down. We're not doing that today because we're going to keep it cute and simple. Alright guys, so you just want to go ahead and remove that cover on the tape. And before we put the tape down, we just want to make sure everything is in place. I'm going to go ahead and snip that lace off camera. I hate doing it on camera because I always have such a hard time. So we're going to go ahead and get that in position the way we want, and we're just going to press it down. Like nothing crazy, nothing like special. We're just going to press it down. And when I tell you that little tape comes in handy, it's perfect. That's it. Like, look at that. You can't even see nothing. Look at that. Easy. Y'all see that? Just going in right now. I said I was gonna do this off camera, but this lace is so easy to cut, so I just said I'll do it on camera for you guys. So we're just gonna basically slide this through. Kind of follow the line, but kind of try to go like a little zigzag, because it don't need to be perfect. I love how the ear tab section dips so well right here. It looks really natural. Love it. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and like finger comb these beautiful body wave curls out. Again, it's pre-styled and I absolutely love it, but you guys know I'm gonna add me like a little layer to it because you gotta frame your face. You gotta add a little layer to it, okay? So the length is perfect, guys. Very nice length. And I love how the middle part is already planted for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hot comb together so I can press this down, and then we're gonna just do our signature Verify. So I went ahead and cut, basically I cut whatever's up here to get kind of like the layer, and then I go down and take some parts out just to kind of see where I need to cut. But this is kind of like the main area that I want to get right. So again, I already separated it out. I usually go by an angle like this and I slice my hand down, and this is how I separate it. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're just going at an angle to get as much hair as in the front, because the front is where you really want to work on that layer. So again, for me, I usually just go diagonal where my nose is at, and I start off kind of long first because I don't want to make a mistake. This is not gonna grow back, okay? It ain't mine. Well, it is mine, but you know what I mean. It ain't gonna grow back. So that's a good amount right there. Y'all can already see. You see how that's already layered? Look at that little layer right there. And the hair texture is pretty too, guys. I cannot wait to curl it. Body wave is always gonna give you va-va-voom. I'm telling y'all. Y'all see how I be killing it, period. Every single wig that I have from Unice Hair Company, I've layered to perfection, okay? Look at that. A little right here. Get that jagged. And just cut a little bit more right here. Again, y'all see that? Now, I usually try to make this as close as possible, but if I can't get it right, I'll just grab like the two pieces right here, and then I'll just probably cut it like here down the middle. So we'll do like a little bit of a straight, jagged bang area there. So then now we know that's layered. So even if I wanted to go ahead and wear this kind of like bang like, I could. I would just have to bring this back in and close it in a little bit more, but now we have it even. So now that I have this layer cut, I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a little layer at this section right here. So y'all saw how I kind of like left a little bit of this part down here, that, you know, just chilling. I'm gonna go ahead and layer this part too, because this part underneath, you need there to be like some type of layer. When the, you know, when it's hitting back, you need to have like a little bit of a look. So I don't know why there's less hair on this side. Well, probably because I used some on the top here. Oh, there we go. So again, so we're just gonna go ahead and just do like a light layer, and I'm not gonna do it too high. I'm gonna do it probably like right here, just to give the inner part some dimension. And trust me, when the wind blows, you'll have a nice blowout like that. So y'all see that I just kind of layered that inner part right here, just to kind of make it look unison. Look at all this hair, Jesus. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is grab my hot comb, and we're gonna go ahead and just flatten the top out. Now, I don't have to do too much because this unit already came packaged to perfection. So again, you're just sliding the hot comb in ever so lightly. The hair's already flat at the top. You don't really have to do that much. So that's one thing to keep in mind. The unit already comes ready. We're just doing a little bit of extra pizzazz, you know? So I'm spraying the top with some hairspray, and I think that's good. We don't want it to be too ultra flat. We just want it to have a little flatness. So what I'm gonna do now is show you guys what these layers look like. Hopefully the middle part is correct. I'm shifting it like that, but hopefully the middle part is correct. So here goes this side layer, and then there's this side right here. And again, the undercut underneath here is gonna give the volume underneath. So as you guys can see, the hair is gorgeous. I don't necessarily think I'm gonna curl as much as of the bottom here. I think I'm gonna focus a lot of the curling at the top for volume and stuff. So I'm gonna definitely work on the top areas. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start working on some of the curls in the back. I don't think I'm gonna curl the entire unit just because the body wave and the pre-curls are already amazing to start, so I don't have to do too much. I just wanna kind of make everything a little bit more uniform. Now, this hair is a very silky texture, as you guys can see, so it's like buttery, silky, soft. So if you wanna add texture to it, just add a little texturizer spray, but I don't do that in the beginning because I love how the hair has that body to it. And sometimes the texturizer spray will kind of weigh it down. So I do like it like this. I can't wait to curl the bang so you guys can see how absolutely stunning this is gonna look. So again, I just wanna kind of curl the top portion so that I can have like a little bit of volume up here. That's why I didn't wanna flatten out I didn't want to make the top too flat, so then I still have some volume. Let's go ahead and curl this little piece right here and see what it's giving right here. And again, the hair is buttery soft. Like, look at that. You might want to spray it with some hairspray just to keep it in position to curl because the hair is super soft, but very pretty. Y'all know, this is my signature look, period. Again and again, she's always gonna eat it up, honey. Always gonna eat it up. I told you guys this is my signature look, guys. Very minimal work with this unit, guys. Added a little light layer to her, divvied her up with a little bit of curl, and added a little bit of hairspray to her, and she's pretty much good to go. Again, this is a mono cap, guys, so you don't have to add powder to it. It's like a silk-based cap, and this is an HD lace wig, guys. So it is very nice and fine, little tiny knots on here, so you don't see absolutely nothing. This unit is very pretty as well, too, as far as the density And the fact that this unit already came pre-styled makes it so much easier when you need to install the unit. Again, this is a pre-everything unit, guys. So if you have somewhere to go, it already comes pre-styled. You just add in like a little twist of the wrist with the curling iron. You're doing a little spray, no powder, and that's it. Like, this is absolutely stunning. If you don't want to cut layers in it, by all means, don't cut layers into it. But for me, I want to give you guys a good, nice style, something simple. I'm not a real professional when it comes to cutting hair. I've just been doing it for years. But if you're new to this, you'll be fine just like I am. It's very simple, guys. Absolutely love this. I feel like this gave me the look that I was going for. So I'm really happy with the way that this hairstyle came out, guys. And again, UNiceHair has the best body wave texture on the market. Any unit that I've had from UNiceHair company that's been body wave, every single time I've washed the unit and recurls it again, the curls are absolutely luscious and glamorous. I love a full body unit like this. You guys know this middle part with curls is my signature look. It definitely gives like classy, sophisticated, chic type of look. It's just very simple and straight to the point, but again, it has a lot of character. Adding the layers to it just gave you guys more of a face-framing look. I am not a professional when it comes to cutting hair, so I'm doing everything amateur based on here with you guys. I just been practicing. That's all you gotta do is practice a little bit and you'll be good to go. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I feel like this one came out exactly the way I thought it was gonna come out. Let me go ahead and clip it up and do like a little other style with this one so I can show you guys a little bit of versatility, because I feel like this is cute, but let's do like a little half up, half down. I did show you guys the back, so all you gotta do is tuck that little string in the back and you're good to go. So the back is pretty seamless. You don't really see too much. So let me go ahead and clip this up so I can show you guys what it looks like clipped up. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and just clipped it up messy on the top. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is kind of like the 90s type of style. I absolutely love this unit. Again, it's a 13x4, so you can go ahead and do stuff like that because your sides will stay down with the tape sides. So it's very, very seamless, guys. Very easy to install. You can do like cute little styles with this one. I feel like this is a nice style. Again, I have a big clip in the back. I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. It's seamless. It just looks like you got a nice, like kind of like messy bun clipped up. So very nice, guys. Again, this is a 13x4 unit, guys. Very simple and straight to the point. Pre-everything. Pre-everything. What's not to love about a pre-everything wig? It's already done. So let me know your thoughts on this unit, guys. I think that this is a nice versatile unit. You can wear it in multiple styles. I absolutely love this, and I think I'm gonna wear this tonight because I do have somewhere to go. So this will be the perfect look, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.